supporter ang nagsuporta katong nanghatag sa mga sobre o katong mga naghatag ang mga pulis, ang mga katong mayor, ang tag-iya sa ELF, katong gisakyan sa mga bata sa pagparade o sa tanan na aniya karon sa Paraclete Christian Academy. Maing buntag sa tanan. Walay tao, maing buntag sa tanan. Oh. Pagpakan sa nato ang Ginoo sa iyang ato. At last, our prayers were granted. Nga tagaan kita sa maayo nga panahon. O karon akong basahon ang history sa Paraclete Christian Academy. Ang uban nakaibalo na niini. Apan paglunhaw labi na katong bangko pa mo ni atong sinugdanan. It was a humble beginning. Humble, no? Pinaka humble gayod kanang pobre ba? Dili humble nga kanang kuan. Pobre gayod sa primero. This is the history of Paraclete Christian Academy, authored by our late Demosthenes Nob Agucoy Sr. Siya ang nagsulat na ini. Maminaw ba mga bata? The Paraclete Christian Academy or the PCA started its operation as a ministry of the Magdadasig Christian Fellowship, MCF, in the school year 1997-98 with only 5 pupils in the kindergarten class. 5 ka bata ang primero. The word Paraclete from the Greek word Parakletos for the Holy Spirit. So, Holy Spirit ang meaning sa Paraclete. This was promised by Jesus Christ to His disciples in the Gospel according to John 16:7 and 13. The same word implies for the Cebuano term Magdadasig, which is illustrated in the Holy Bible as the Comforter. Unsa na? Comforter. Siya ang magdadasig. Siya ang maghatag kanato comfort. Bisan pa sa panahon sa kalisdanan. He never fails us. He always comforts us. As an education ministry of the Magdadasig Christian Fellowship Incorporated, the school operated under the umbrella of the Association of Christian Educators of the Philippines, ASEP. All ASEP church schools are elementary and secondary levels through DEX permit number 001 series of 1996. The accreditation of PCA to the ASEP was made through the efforts of Reverend Timothy L. Yap, the acknowledged leader of ASEP of Region 10. Dr. Yap is the director of the Northern Mindanao Christian Academy, NMCA, based at Apovel, Bolua, Cagayan de Oro City. The signing was done in Manila Hotel, Metro Manila on June 4, 1997 by Dr. Ricardo T. Gloria. Siya kadto ang Secretary of Education. The first classes in preschool were housed inside a semi-permanent building owned by the PCA founders, Reverend Demosthenes N. Agucoy Sr. at the present site along the Gerardo Roa Street, Purok 8, Poblacion Salay, Misamis Oriental. The said building, which was renovated in 2002, was also used for some times as Fellowship Center of MCF. So gihimo kani primero kanang dana nga lugar amo ning simbahan. Ang taas gihimo namo primero katulganan. Muna among katulganan sa ibabaw mo diya ang gihimo namo nga simbahan o goto dayon ang usa ka classroom. The Fellowship Center was then transferred to another place in 1998 as advised by the DepEd Region 10 functionaries. There are 2 regular classes in preschool, Kinder 1, 4 to 5 years old, and Kinder 2, 5 to 6 years old. Special nursery classes aging 3 to 4 years old as offered from time to time when there are enrollees for said level. DepEd recognition for preschool number 470 was given on February 7, 2007. The elementary department of PCA started in the school year 1999 to 2000, offering grades 1 to 4. In the next school year 2001, grade 5 was added, and it was in this year that the building was constructed and readied for recognition purposes. In other words, ang atong eskwelahan dinhi munang giingon nga kanang hinay-hinay gikan sa kinder, munang giingon ladderized gihagdan-hagdan kay wala madiretso pag open ang unom ka levels. Grade 6. By the school year 2001 to 2002, the elementary grades was completed with 4 pupils only in grade 6. Upat ra ka bata ang grade 6. Thus, the DepEd recognition 226 was processed and signed on March 10 and given on March 14, 2002, just in time for the first graduation exercises. The high school department was opened in the school year 2004-2005 with 1 student only at the start of classes. Usa ra ka bok estudyante sa first year. Giablihan gayto namo para nga mablihan ang atong high school. But in the second week, another student in the first year was added. And in the third week of classes, 3 students from Bukidnon came. The final enrollment for high school in its initial year was 4 in the first year and 2 in the second year. Upat ra ka buok fourth year ug 2 ra ka buok second year. Muna ito 2004-2005. In the succeeding school year 2005-2006, the school year offered its third year with 5 students. So 5 na ka estudyante ang third year. The fourth year classes was formally open in SY 2007-2008. Sa 2006-2007, ang among third year nga 5 ra ka buok among i-distribute sa lain-lain eskwelahan kay wala man kami tuguti pag-abri sa fourth year kung dili mo abot sa napulo. So, katong panahon na 2005-2006 at 2006-2007, walay fourth year ato. So, ang third year nakagawas. And the fourth year was formally opened only in 2007-2008 with 10 students. So, napulo na dayon. Prior to the opening of classes, DepEd recognition number 03 for high school was processed. The school has 3 separate buildings for the 3 departments offered. The original building, which is constructed in 2-story semi-permanent structure, is now solely used for the high school. So, kananiha. The preschool building is developed near the entrance, and the elementary is situated at the north side. So, makita nato diha ang elementary. So, Paraclete Christian Academy is duly registered with the SEC, Security and Exchange Commission, as a non-stock, non-profit educational institution in 1998. So, ang atong eskwelahan recognize na ni sa gobyerno. Wala na kani dili na ni siya bugos. So ang tanan nato nga mga estudyante pwede na maka-eskwela sa lain nga eskwelahan kay recognized na ang atong eskwelahan. Og mga igsoon wala na gi stop na wala na